So with the release today, December 4th, we are introducing the fixed price installments. So for those of you that have been working with our percentage-based installments, this will be a nice new option to add. So for those of you that already have trips with a percentage set, and you can easily edit the existing installment and then delete it. And then once it's deleted, you can add a new installment and you can choose fixed amount. You can enter any number, and it's actually okay if that number is over some of the amounts that your travelers are paying, because when they are prompted, they will either be asked to pay that fixed amount or whatever is left that they owe. So for example, if they only owe $400, they'll only be prompted to pay $400. So you can rest assured that that is handled very nicely and you don't even have to think about it. So you'll notice that that worked really smoothly, and that's because we haven't yet taken any payments on this trip. So if you have taken any payments, which you'll be able to see under Manage Payments, then you won't be able to delete the installment here. In that case, you're just going to have to make do for that trip and take advantage of the fixed price installments on future trips. Enjoy, and as always, let us know how you like the latest release.